Welcome once again. Let's talk about the burning of Teona Classic. Now, LUSC have experienced a 50% drop in the burning of Teona Classic based on weekly, burning. It doesn't be quite long that Teona Classic has been burning over 1 billion coins on a weekly basis. I think there was a time they were even burning 1.5 billion coins in just 7 days. Now, this number that have continued for a very long time have really dropped within the past 2 weeks. They are now struggling to burn just 1 billion coins in a week. Now, Teona Classic have actually lost over 50% burning rate based on the weekly basis. Okay, right now, LUNC, the current in the past 7 days have actually burned 653,556,241 coins of Teona Classic have been destroyed. But now you compare this to the previous burning of Teona Classic, where we normally record 1.2 and 1.3 billion coins. That is about 50% burning rate of Teona Classic have really dropped. So I hope this number will bounce back. The burning will continue to increase before this goes down to 300 million coins in a week. So this is not going to be good. Now, according to Teona Classic burn tracker, they've burned just a little bit over 653 million coins of Teona Classic. So LUNC need to burn at least over 1 billion. But I'm expecting Teona Classic to hit towards 5 billion after this project, after their current project that they've been getting a lot of support. So if they can push this number to 5 billion burn in just 1 week, it will help. But for today, as of the time of recording this, Teona Classic is recording just 653,556,241 LUNC coins is being destroyed in the past 7 days. So this is not good for Teona Classic. It shows that there will be more drop in the burning, and I believe even though that we experience high trading volume within the past few days, yes, Teona Classic, compare the trading volume of Teona Classic back to as of 3 weeks to 1 month ago, you discover that Teona Classic has been trading with a high trading volume in the past 7 days. So why is it that the burning of Teona Classic have really dropped? Because whether you're buying, whether you're selling, definitely 1.2% tax burn must take its place. Okay, so I expected Teona Classic to have burned more coins this week than they actually be burning in the previous week and of course in the last 2 weeks. So they are supposed to burn more coins this week. So I don't know what is wrong, but all I know is that right now they are really doing their best. At least the trading volume has been increasing gradually, and I hope to see Teona Classic burn more. Even though this week we also see that Bitcoin is struggling, trying to hit back at $26,000 price after hitting 25,000. BTC is really struggling between buying and sell. So let's see if before the end of this week what Bitcoin might be trading. I definitely believe Bitcoin is going to hit a massive increase in price very soon. Once again, thank you for stopping by.